Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. And I'd like to appreciate each and every student for participating very well in internal assessment too. Okay, children. Now today onwards we are going with the remaining lessons, children. Okay, are you ready, children? Yes. In second lesson, Tom Sawyer lesson, we have completed half. Yes or no? Today we will see remaining half part which are there in the studio. Okay, children, the page number 23 we have done with. And now in page number 24, 2.8, see children, in previous class we have learnt about what, children? Common gender noun and neuter gender noun also we have learnt. What are these? Common gender noun means in common for female and for male also, for masculine nouns, masculine genders and feminine genders also. If we are using same noun, that noun can be said as common gender noun. For non-living things, if you are giving their names, that names can be said as neuter. That means it not belongs to female or it not belongs to male also. That nouns can be said as neuter gender noun. Yes or no, children? Right. Here see, circle the common gender noun in the given sentences. You have to circle the common gender nouns in the given sentences. See, children, this child is playing alone in the park. Here, the child, it is a common gender noun, right, children? Because if a boy, we can call as child. In a girl also, we can call as child. The child will be the common gender noun, children. That means you have to circle. Okay, child like this, and you have to circle like this, children. This is 2.8. And next one, see, children. Next one. The members of the cricket team gathered for a meeting. Here, members. Members means maybe boys will be there or ladies will be there. That means the members is a common gender noun. Okay, you have to circle like this. And next one, third one, see. My cousin was angry with my brother. Cousin means cousin sister will be there or cousin brother also will be there. To both genders we will use as cousin. Cousin is a common gender, children. Okay, common gender. And here, next one, see, the baby is sleeping on the bed. Here the baby is baby boy or maybe the baby girl. We don't know. Common gender is baby. And next one, the singer sang beautifully. The singer is also here common gender. Okay, singer also here the common gender, children. Okay, child, members, cousins, baby and singer. These are the common gender nouns, children. Now see, children, and in 2.9, here, who am I? Guess the common or neuter gender based on the given clues. That means you have to guess the common gender will be there or neuter gender will be there. By using these clues, you have to write those nouns, children. Okay, and first one, I go to school to learn. Okay, children, I go to school to learn. Who will go to school to learn, children? Students will go. Yes or no? Student is neuter gender or common gender? Common gender. Okay, A1. Okay, in 2.9. The A1 is student. The answer is student. And next one. See, I go to school to teach children. Who will teach children in our school? Teacher. Right? This one also common gender. Teacher. And third one, see. I draw and paint pictures. Who will paint, who will draw? Painter or artist. Right? This one also a common gender, children. Artist. Next one. I am very sharp. You use me to cut vegetables. Okay, it will be very sharp and we will use use that to cut vegetables. What is it? It is knife, children. Okay, knife. Okay, it is knife. See, student, teacher, artist. These four are common gender nouns, and knife is neuter gender noun. Now see, use the above common and neuter gender nouns to create sentences of your own. Remember to use the correct pronouns. That means with the help of these common and neuter genders, we need to create some sentences, children. Okay, we need to write 4 sentences by using this. Okay, children. Now, I will give you that one, children. Note down carefully. Okay, children. See, I am a student of class 4. Okay, here in first sentence we have used student. Right. With the help of the common gender noun, we have created one sentence. I am a student of class 4. Like that we have to write, children. Next one. My teacher is very kind. She gave us toffees today. Okay. Next one. Write down, everyone. My teacher is very kind. She gave she gave toffees. She gave toffees today. Next one, third one, see, children. My uncle is an amazing painter. He painted a portrait. Okay, my uncle is an amazing painter. He painted portrait. Okay, children, my uncle is an amazing painter. He painted a portrait. Last one. This is a sharp knife. It can cut vegetables in minutes. Okay, this is a sharp knife. It can cut vegetables in minutes. Okay, children, see, 4 sentences we have there. I am a student of class 4. My teacher is very kind. She gave toffees today. My uncle is an amazing painter, or we can write artist also. He painted a portrait. This is a sharp knife. It can cut vegetables in minutes, children. Okay, like this. And next one, see, children. In summary, we are going to see that you have to do this, children. In summary part, you have to do. See how it is. Complete figure 4. List the pronouns used for common and gender along with 2 suitable examples for that. Means you have to write here common and here you have to write the neuter gender. See, used for living things here. Neuter means used for non-living things. See, pronouns used for living things. He, she, they. We will use for common gender living things. Here, common gender means firefighter, artist. Here, non-living things we will use the pronoun it, and it is book, books and box, children. Okay, like this you have to write and you have to complete this box, children. Okay children, now turn your pages. That box you have did know. Next one, see, draw lines to match the people with their respective belongings. Okay, see here three pictures they have given and three names they have given, children. Tom Sawyer, Ben, Aunt Polly. These are the three characters we have seen in our second lesson story, right? And they have given pictures, jam, brush and apple. Here Tom Sawyer, and which belonging is having brush, because he have to brush with the help of the brush only have to paint the fence, no? Right? That means you have to draw like this. Okay? Children, see, draw like this. Tom Sawyer, brush, and Ben, he came with eating a apple. Apple is there in his hand. Yes or no? An apple is there. Like this, draw Ben apple, and Aunt Polly is questioned the Ben. Yes or no? Aunt Polly was questioned Ben for eating the jam. Okay, draw Aunt Polly to here. Now see, now fill in the blanks. Aunt Polly's jam, Ben's apple, Tom Sawyer's paint brush. Here you can observe, children, here apostrophe we are adding to the belongings. Okay, when we are telling belongings, belonging means that things which belongs to them only, that persons only. That way, like that we will use the apostrophe as, children. See, this is Vijay's book. This is Vijay's. That means this book belongs to Vijay. That's why we are adding this apostrophe as. Here also Aunt Polly's job. Okay, Aunt Polly's jam. That means here belongings means we are using this apostrophe as. And second one, what is it? Ben's apple. Ben's, okay, apple. Okay, children. And third one, Tom Sawyer's paint brush. Okay, Tom Sawyer's paint brush. See, children, to tell the belongingness, that means the things belongs to persons, what we will use is, we will use this apostrophe. Okay, that can be called as apostrophe, children. Okay, here also another example they have given in 2.11, children. See, the players' trophies, players, if you are placing apostrophe before s, that means there is only single person. That means Aunt Polly is single or double? Single only. That's why we are placing this apostrophe before s. If you are placing that apostrophe after the s, that means it will be plural. That means more than one if persons are there. We will use the apostrophe after s by saying the belongingness. See, children, in this picture also it's clearly they have given the players' trophies. Here one player is there and the apostrophe is placed before the s. Here three players are there. The players' trophies, the apostrophe is placed after the s. Same thing here, children. The girl's bag, here one girl is there. That's why we have placed this apostrophe before s, and here the girls' bags after s, the apostrophe have been placed, children. Okay, see, the students' classroom is big. Okay, students, here only one student is there. Here my sister's book is on the shelf. Okay, here only one sister. Okay, that's why we are placing this apostrophe before the s only, children. Okay, now turn your pages, children. Page number 28, children. Okay, page number 28. Turn it. Now see children. Here also, see the students' classroom is big. Here more than one person. Okay, students means more students are there. You have to keep this apostrophe after S. Here my sister's books are on the shelf. Here three sisters are there. The apostrophe is placed after the S children. Okay, here also the boys' room is untidy. The boys' room are untidy. Okay, you have to follow the verb forms also. Here single person is there, that's why we have used is, and here boys more plural are there, that's why we have used are also children. See boys here and here boys. Okay children, here printing mistake is there in this example children. Actually boys, the apostrophe should be before the S itself. Okay children, here you have to write these verb forms. Okay children, see Abhishek's book is new. Abhishek's books is new. Here both are singular only. The cat's paw is dirty. The cat's paw is dirty. Both here apostrophes are before the S only. That means we will use is only. Here the singer's voice is very beautiful. Singers, the apostrophe is before S. Here see children, the singer's voices are. That means here the S is placed, the apostrophe is placed after S. That's why we have used are. That means there are plural members. That means more members are there. Okay children, if before the S the apostrophe is placed means that those are singular, and after S means those are plural. Okay children, I am giving the homework for you. See in 2.12 I am giving as homework children. 2.12, what the thing you have to do is children, see here are some images of animals and their young ones. Okay, animals images and young ones images also. That means the babies of tigers. Okay, see write sentences to show that the young ones belongs to the respective animals. One is done for you. That means you have to write the sentences to tell that these young ones belongs to these animals only. The tigress cubes are standing up behind the other. Okay, the tigers babies we can call as cubs. Okay, see the tigresses. See here after S only the apostrophe placed because here two tigers are there. Like that you have to write this one and this one and next page also children. That is your homework. Note down children everyone. Your home task is home task is 2.12 children in studio. In studio you have to do this children. And next after that see here they have given for summary children. See here they have given for summary apostrophe used to denote plural possession. Okay, now see apostrophe placed after the S. After the S plurals. Okay, regular plural see cat, kittens. Here apostrophe placed before the S, irregular plurals. That means see children. Children means singular or plural? Plural only. And like that also plural form also we will place sometimes after before the S itself. Okay children, like that you have to write. See now I show. Okay, cats, kittens. Here first this side you have to write teacher's table, right? Teacher's tables. This one is a regular plural children. Okay, cats, kittens. Okay, and next one see children. Children's These are the two things you have to write in the summary box, children. Okay, like this we have completed our second lesson studio, children. In next class we will go with the companion second lesson, children. This is about today's English class, children. Hope you all understand these exercises, children. Please do all these, children, and send it to me. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.